Framed by the darkness of a cave, a glowing green sky flickers to life. Out beyond the icy sea, a lone lighthouse stands still, while above it, something magical begins to move. Across distant mountains, streaks of pink and green ripple through the night. What you're seeing is the Aurora Borealis, better known as the Northern Lights, one of Earth's most breathtaking natural displays. These glowing waves aren't just beautiful, they're powered by the sun. Charged particles travel millions of miles before colliding with Earth's atmosphere, lighting up the sky in vivid color. For centuries, cultures around the world have told stories about these lights. Some believed they were spirits dancing. Others saw them as messages from the heavens. Deep in snow-covered forests, the sky glows an eerie green, casting soft light over silent trees and frozen hills. In places close to the Arctic Circle, this phenomenon can appear on more than 200 nights a year. Yet, no two displays are ever the same. The lights swirl, fade, and return again, like nature putting on a show that never repeats itself. And for those lucky enough to witness it in person, it's unforgettable. A reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary experiences are written in the sky.